Become a master of information, organizing and evaluating for effective debates. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting video in our series, where we unravel the mysteries of the English language together. Today, we're going to focus on a crucial part of participating in discussions and debates: organizing and evaluating information. How can we conduct research efficiently? How can we sift through a mountain of information and only pick the most relevant pieces? Let's dive in. Organizing information is like assembling a jigsaw puzzle. Imagine having to put together a picture without sorting the pieces into their colors or corners. Difficult, right? That's what it's like discussing or debating a topic without organizing your information. When you're preparing for a debate, you're going to encounter a lot of data and perspectives. If you don't sort this out properly, you'll struggle to convey your argument effectively. Therefore, the first step to a compelling debate is effective organization of your research. Now, let's discuss some simple but effective ways to organize your research. Start with categorizing your information based on relevance, perspectives, or arguments. This makes it easier to access the exact information you need during the discussion. Second, prioritize your data. Which facts support your main argument best? Which examples are most impactful? By determining this beforehand, you'll be able to construct a well-thought-out narrative. Organizing information is just half the battle. The other half is knowing how to evaluate it. Not all information you come across is going to be useful or valid. And that's where the skill of evaluation comes in. Evaluating information involves checking its reliability and credibility. You need to consider the source of the information, the objectivity, and whether the data is up to date. Here are a few handy tips for evaluating information. Firstly, consider the source. Is it a reputable journal or a personal blog? Then check for bias. Does the author have a particular agenda that might skew the information? Also, pay attention to the date of the information. In some debates, especially those about current events or technologies, up-to-date information is vital. Lastly, check if the information can be corroborated. If multiple reliable sources are saying the same thing, it's likely that the information is accurate. And there we have it, folks. Organizing and evaluating information might seem like a daunting task, but with these tips and techniques, you'll be a master in no time. Always remember that the effectiveness of your debates and discussions lies in the strength of your preparation. We hope this video has been helpful in your journey of mastering English. Keep practicing, stay curious, and never stop learning.